You face the challenge of color matching your garments every morning when you open your wardrobe. You literally struggle with color combinations. Do not worry, as you are not alone, as 93.3% people on this planet, including me, struggle with choosing the right color combinations. Watch this video till end to solve the challenge of color combinations or color matching for once and all. Hello, this is Tushar from Charu Creation Private Limited, a fashion fabric company at Nehru Place, New Delhi. So friends, the solution to effortless color combination is the color wheel. The color wheel was first designed by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666, the same man famous for the laws of motions. So let us quickly understand some fundamentals so that we can use the color wheel in 4 basic ways. The color wheel consists of 12 colors in total. Out of them, 3 are primary colors, namely red, yellow and blue. Then there are 3 secondary colors, namely orange, purple and green. Secondary colors are created when primary colors are mixed with each other. Further, there are 6 tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are made from different combinations of primary and secondary colors. So if you draw a line through the center of the wheel, then you will separate the warm colors from the cool colors. Reds, oranges and yellows are the warm colors, while blues, greens and purples are the cool colors. We need to know few more things before we are ready to use this color wheel. A pure raw color is called a hue, H-U-E. For example, red. If you add white to the hue, to the raw color, it is called a tint. Example, adding white to red gives a tint called pink. Next, if you add black to the hue, it is called a shade. For example, red plus black becomes burgundy color. Finally, if you add black and white to the hue or grey color to the hue, it is called a shade. Now friends, there are primarily 4 ways of using this color wheel. The first is the complementary color scheme. How to find these matching colors on the wheel? Simple. Pick any color on the wheel and trace your finger directly across the circle to the opposite side of the wheel. Complementary colors combine together to create the strongest contrast. The goal of the 2 colors is to make the other pop. For example, red and green. Generally, it has been observed that the proportion of 70-30 or 80-20 works best for this particular color scheme. This means the combination of garments in which you carry 70-80% of one color and 20-30% of the other color works the best. A 50-50 proportion in the complementary color scheme becomes hard to carry. The second scheme is the analogous color scheme. Just pick any color on the wheel, then choose the color that is located right or left of the one you have chosen. For example, indigo and purple. A word of caution, avoid mixing cool with warm colors for best results. The third and one of the easiest scheme is the monochromatic color scheme. In this scheme, you create a color scheme based on various shades and tints of one hue. Although it lacks color contrast, it often ends up looking very clean and polished. A perfect example is the colors in the sky during the sunset. There are tints, tones and shades of the same hue in the sunset sky. The fourth color scheme is the neutral color scheme. Neutral colors consist of black, white, grey, beige, tan, olive, navy and some more. How to implement this scheme? You just pick any neutral color and choose any color from the color wheel. And voila, your color combination is set. Neutral colors do not clash with each other. They pair well together and you can be confident that your outfit looks great. Think of a white churidar suit. Regardless of your age, skin tone or body type, neutral colors are essentials for your wardrobe. Since neutral colors easily match with other colors, so if you are ever in doubt, wear neutrals. Friends, an interesting fact is that neutral color scheme is the most unconsciously used color scheme in the whole world. our natural human tendencies and intuitions push us to wear garments having neutral colors. Friends, there are some more color schemes like triadic colors, split complementary colors, tetradic colors, and square color scheme. They are a bit complex to implement. So friends, to view the color wheel for getting your color combination right, click on the link given in the description of the video. Friends, I hope that products made out of our fabric collection would bring you lots of appreciation. For any inquiry regarding fabrics, you may call us at +91 99711 06200 or email us at charu@charu.org.in. For regular updates, subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot.